Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to test some bad components, and I will show you how to identify the bad components. I recently removed FETs and one capacitor from recent repair jobs, and without any further, we will go to the measure the values. The multimeter is in diode mode, and this is 6P60 FET, and you can see from the side no reading, but when you go to this way, the gate also showing 0.6 measurement, and drain and source shows 0.5, and you cannot get this reading, and that is the reason this one bad. We identified as a bad. The another FET is 10B65. This is 10 amp 650 volts FET, and this is drain and short, direct drain and gate, drain and source, direct short. You can see when I see the gate is short circuit with both terminals, and this is dead short. The another FET is J601. Let's check this one. This side it shows open circuit, but when you see the 0.6 is as a reading. The gate also no guys, this is good. I think I made a mistake. Yes, I made a mistake. Give a negative pulse and it shows on. Positive pulse with off. No, it's not getting off. Negative pulse on. Positive pulse. Yes, it is good, I think. And let's change the probes. Yes, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. This one is good. And let's move to another one. This one, it is direct short. It is direct short. Drain and source. Drain and gate, source and gate, direct short. The multimeter is went off. Let me turn it on, and let's move to the another FET J349. Drain and source short circuit. See, with gate also short circuit. All the terminals are short circuit. And this is the capacitor, 2200 microfarad, 50 volts. Let's move our selector to capacitor mode, and this capacitor, first of all we need to discharge the capacitor, and negative to negative, positive to positive. Let's see, it shows 7500, 6500, 5800, the variable capacitance value, and that means this capacitor is also bad. And this for today, and I will see you in next video soon, and hope you like, and please subscribe for my channel, and I will do more videos in future. Thank you for watching.